Meaning of foible.
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 Foible. Foible refers to a minor weakness or flaw in someone's character, behavior, or performance that is often seen as endearing or forgivable. It can also refer to a characteristic that makes someone or something distinctive or unique. This term is often used to describe idiosyncrasies or quirks that are harmless and somewhat charming. For example, someone might have a foible for always misplacing their keys or for telling corny jokes. Overall, foible suggests a minor imperfection that doesn't detract from an individual's overall positive qualities or achievements.